Good evening. It's time for a night ride with my half a dash. Let's get home. This took way longer than expected, unfortunately. So, it's a little chilly. My hair's still wet. But we are out of here after I stall the bike. This is so loud. I feel bad. At least it's a Sunday night, not like a weekday. All right, let's go home. I think we're taking a different way home, which is okay. It shouldn't take too tremendously long. Also, I want to get home before I'm fucking cold. Wet hair isn't going to help with that. Let's move. This thing just absolutely wants to run. Like, legitimately. Alright, left in a quarter mile. You knew I wouldn't take it lightly. I'm going for it. Avoid all that glass. 2 miles? Let's go. Chilly out. Very long day. Not ready to go back to work tomorrow. That shit sounds awful, but you know, gotta pay the bills. You know how it be. Yeah, woo, it's a little chilly. All I have on under this is a fucking crop top sleeveless. Oh well, what are you gonna do, right? Sliver of a moon tonight. Yeah, we're definitely not doing 39, but okay. Sound drop, it's on you, it's on you, it's on you, it's on drop the needle. I love this area. At least like to ride. It's so fun. back to the ridge. Yeah, it's definitely a little fucking chilly. Hey, green light. I feel zero. Bro. The fuck was that? Turn off your fucking high beams, asshole. Anyway, but yeah, welcome to Philly at night. Well, at least the outskirts of Philly. Everyone thinking it's like this horrible city. No, it's actually not that bad. Look at it. Look, there's a kitchen and bath store and a flower and home garden store. That's the word I was looking for. Again, it's that time of the video where I'll remind you that we, don't have any speed lights here. Yep. Oh, Jesus. No turn signal. Just pulled that one off, huh? A little risky. Get this far, how could I grow? Always lost in thought, myself. Got back up again, found my own way. Alright, riding solo. Could I grow? That's a cop. So I can't pull away like an absolute hoon here. So many cell phone towers out here. These fucking roads are paved like dog shit, by the way. Like, it's egregiously bad. It's not me being that cold and shivering, it's just the fucking road surface. It's literally that fucked up. Like, it's that bad. And like, there's nothing I can do about it. Like, fuck, man. It's hard, how could I grow? Lost in thought, chase myself up again, found my own way. Another cop? Yep, another cop. Not going my way. Haha. A lucky day for me. I think that I'm okay. so fucking hard. Township lines up here, so. But the Burger King playpen. This light's always tough to read because it's like around this really long curve here. Not long, it's just awkward. There's a lot of signage in the way. Hi. Boom, boom. Yeah, I have to get gas in this pig dog again soon. Yeah, I'm ready to be home and warm. Do a quick little stream ting, and then we'll call it on a Monday. Aw, yeah, boy. Sounds good. Getting a little foggy in the vents. Will you be gone? Did I love you? Did you ever tell me more? That light timing is so fucking weird for this time of night. Said about me at all. Weather like if it was like 4 or 5 degrees warmer, would be just perfect. The wind from earlier today died down as the storm front moved out, and now it's only 50, which isn't particularly cold until you're doing a certain speed, you know. Then it gets a little chilly, you know. It's not what I'd call warm. Those lights are very fucking bright behind me, and I don't like that. Are you a cop, or are you just an asshole? Needs some sort of light. It's got markings like a cop. No. Yeah, it's incredibly bright. Being a motorcycle rider sucks sometimes. Also, why you're this close to me when we're already doing 40 in a 25 is a little fucking egregious, my guy. Like, for real. Back the fuck off. Sometimes you gotta make your own space. What do I know? Boo-doo-doo. vision is ruined because of that right now. You're in the fucking intersection, Chief. Bro, you're not even in a lane now. Like, what are you doing? Figure it out, motherfucker. That's illegal in this state. Yo, little moped, let's go, boy. Ambulance coming out, just like it is. Yep. Well, maybe. I don't know which direction it's going. Okay, neither does this person, but that's like okay, we'll figure it out. I think it's coming our way. Yes, it is. No sirens though, just lights. God, dude, fuck these roads. Wow, wow. Man's got a pizza. Probably from fucking Little Caesars. Hey, oh! I'm ready to be home. Ready for Japan. I need a goddamn break. Sorry, boys. I'm going to be taking the lead here. See ya. Cops probably at the gas station. Damn, not tonight apparently. Not a Papa G's either. Made it. Well, welcome home, everybody. We did it. Oh. Muy excelente, mis amigos. Thank you so much for the ride along. And we'll catch you on the next fucking ride.